Okay, so welcome to another class. Today we'll be talking about HTML list elements. Like when we say list, like okay, if I want to um list an item, let's say I want to say the following are an example of HTML tag. Number one, UL, number two, P, number three, H1. So that's like a list. You understand? So and we have different type of list, and then every one of them is handled with some specific HTML list tag. So the first HTML list tag is UL, unordered list. That means it does not have a particular order. It's not using number as is as what is used to list it. Then the number two is the ordered list. That means it is listed in the order, and it can be identified by a number. And then the third one is the list item. That is the item you are listing itself. The item you are listing. And then the number one and two is describing the type of the item you are listing. Is it something you want to just make it a bullet list? That's unordered. If it is a numbered list, that's ordered. And then the fourth one is description list. There are times if you've seen a glossary before, there will be a particular term, and then there will be the definition under it. Let's say we want to say HTML, then the HTML stand for hypertext markup language. You will have seen them in glossary before. That's what we use DL, DD, and DT for. Description list is just to show that okay, you need a list of items that you can describe. And then the DD is the definition, and then the term that you are describing is the DT. So let's move to the next slide. So as I've explained before, another list starts with UL tag, and each of the list items starts with LI, and it creates a bulleted list by default. By the time we go to Visual Studio Code, you see how this work. Other list starts with OL, and each of the list items starts with LI, and it creates a numbered list by default. And then for description list, it is a list of terms with a description of each terms. The DL tag defines the description list, the DT tag describe the term name, and the DD describe each term. So let's in the next video I'm going to be showing to you how this sys element works. So I'll show you how this sys element works. Thank you very much.